On today's video, we're going to be doing the Poor Guys Outdoor Cooking viral video, Bratwurst Burnt Ends. Let's get this started. So our good friend from Poor Guys Outdoor Cooking did this a couple weeks ago, and his video went viral. Over 30,000 views in just a couple of days.
Bratwurst Burnt Ends. I had a bunch of bratwurst and I wanted to use them up, so it sounded really tasty. So we're going to do a sweet and spicy kind of deal on these. So let's wrap this up. Well, like I said, burnt ends is probably not the best description of this. That's what we're looking at. See if that camera focuses. Cheers. Oh, heck yeah.
First of all, I just want to say congrats. That is amazing. And of course, I'm going to want to try it. I've done a lot of types of burnt ends, so when I saw that, I'm definitely going to try it. So thank you for that idea, and that's what we're going to do today. So once again, we have Johnsonsville original brats. Put them up here. We have 2 packages, 10 total. So we're going to use mustard as a binder. So we're going to go ahead and add mustard to all these pieces first. Let's get that going. And the majority of people, when they use binder, they normally use mustard. I have heard about people using Worcestershire sauce as a binder, which I think I want to do that. I want to try that one too. But like I said, it doesn't, if you use a binder, it's not going to taste like the binder. So, I mean, does it really matter what kind of binder you use? What do you guys think? Let me know. So we're going to do this all around so we can add our rub. That way our rub can stick better. So today we're going to be using Meat Church Honey Hog. I think it'll be good for these. We're just going to add them to give it that more of a flavor. Turn it around, do it on both sides. And this is a good rub. This Honey Hog, it's pretty good. And so this is I would say my top 3 or top 2 from Meat Church. Holy Cow is my number 1 from Meat Church. That one, of course. All right, there you have it. Now we're going to transfer them to my trusty grill crates here. See if we can make them fit. If all 10 fit, I think they should. So how are we going to cook these bad boys? Well, we're going to put our pit balls to 250 degrees. We're going to let them ride for about an hour. Now, the internal temp that we're going by is 160. So in 1 hour, I'm just going to leave them there for a whole hour. Come check them, see where they're at. Then we go to step 2. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit balls. All right, our pit balls is up to temp 250 degrees. Put this bad boys in here. And we'll be back in 1 hour. All right, they've been there for 1 hour. Let's go ahead and take them out. How they look. We'll be right back. All right, guys, here you have it. We had these resting for 5 minutes. And now we're going to cut them up in little tiny pieces so we can put them in this pan. So we're going to do this to all of them. And I don't have them too big. I would say this is about a good size. And then same thing. To all of them. I'm really excited to try these. Like I said, I've done a couple of different styles of burnt ends, sausage burnt ends, hot dog burnt ends. brisket burnt ends. We've also done pork belly burnt ends. So this is my first time trying bratwurst burnt ends. So let's try them out. I'm gonna put them in the pan. Alright, so there you have it. That's all 10 brats in this pan. So now we're gonna go to what we're gonna add into this pan. So we're gonna use the barbecue sauce, and we're gonna put a nice amount of it too. It looks about right. We're gonna add a half a cup of brown sugar. We're gonna add some Mike hot honey. However you guys want to add, it's to you. I got a half a stick of butter. Not a full half. I mean, not a full stick, just half. So now we're gonna just mix them in there. Man, this might be good. This might be good. And we're gonna wrap it in full. So I'm gonna leave the grill at 250. We're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna put it in there. I'm estimated about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go check it. If they look like they're pretty much almost done, I'm gonna take the wrapper off and let it cook for another 30 minutes to get that barbecue sauce nice and tight. Let's put it back in the smoker. All right, let's go ahead and put this back in here, and we'll be back in 30 minutes. All right, they've been there for 30 minutes now. Let's go ahead and take this off. See the butter melted. All right, we're gonna leave it open like that, and we'll check it in about 15. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Look at that. Let's go ahead and take this out. And we'll be right back. All right, so here we have it. We're back and we're ready to try this. Excited. I'm ready to go. To get my little toothpick here. Try to get a nice piece. Oh boy. All right, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and get into this. On all my other burnt ends that I've done, I've never really added the brown sugar part. I always thought, why do we need to add more sugar, brown sugar to barbecue sauce? It already has sugar, so it should be already sweet enough. So I never really put the brown sugar. This one I decided to ask, what, everybody likes to put brown sugar. Let me just go ahead and do it. And I see why now. I mean, it's just the flavor of just the barbecue sauce, the brown sugar, the honey, the Mike's Hot Honey that we added to. It's just, I don't know, it's really good. Would I be adding brown sugar to all burnt ends that I do from now on? Yeah, I am. It is really, really good. And then these bratwurst, man, no, I stop eating them. Big shout out to poor guys, outdoor cooking. I mean, he always does great videos. Like I said, this one, this is great. I mean, you can't go wrong with burnt ends. I mean, and now you have another way of doing them, and doing them with bratwurst. I mean, it's really good. It's cheap. I think it was like $10 for all 10 of these, and you make a nice amount. So another great thing if you're having to get together. Wow, this is good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. This is something you guys would do. I do recommend it. It's great. Really good. And for the price, for all this, it's really good. So stay tuned. There's more coming. See you guys next time.